everybody. Welcome back. I'm John Schuler with Prospect Mortgage. This is CC Summerfield with Big Block Realty. So this little video, we wanted to put together some fun facts for you. We wanted to show how we're different than the majority of the competition out there. So we entitled this, Did You Know? So CC, did you know that we can do an FHA home loan down to a 580 credit score?
Well, that's what you were telling me, and it's just almost unbelievable because you hear so much today about having great credit to be able to do a loan. So this really opens it up for some people that may have had some credit problems in the past and may still be able to get qualified to buy a home.
Absolutely. Most lenders won't go down that low, but because of the size of our company, we will take on clients as long as you meet a couple other requirements along with that. So CC, for those veterans out there that have served active duty military, or maybe that were in the reserves, and maybe they've owned a couple houses in the past and they're doing a move up, what's the maximum loan amount that they can take out as a veteran on a VA home loan?
John, I think it's $1 million. Is that right?
Wow. That is actually right. It is $1 million. And I don't know that a lot of people realize that, but again, just a little bit of tidbit information that CC and myself pride ourselves in knowing while we're representing you. So what if I want to buy a house and I don't qualify on my own? Can I get somebody to help me qualify?
Well, I heard, and correct me or tell me if I'm right on this, but I heard that your parents can still co-sign on a house that you might want to buy. Is that correct?
Absolutely. Again, she's right. You can have a family member or a relative co-sign and not even occupy the house. So mom and dad that live back in New Hampshire, they might want to co-sign for you. That's buying your first house here in San Diego. There's no way they're going to live there, but you can do it underneath certain criteria on an FHA home loan as well as a conventional loan. So,
and what a great investment rather than renting. If you can go ahead and do that and get your parents to co-sign, you could have a roommate and charge them rent, and there you go. You've got your house payment made. And, this is really important when you're young to start thinking about what your investment's going to be, and real estate's a great one. So,
absolutely.
John, I have one question for you.
Yeah.
Is the lending criteria the same on a single family detached home as it might be on a condo if I wanted to buy a condo?
That's a great question. A lot of first-time home buyers, especially in the San Diego market, they are in a price range that gives them more options to purchase a condo. And so, no, they're not the same. They're absolutely not the same. Depending on how much you have to put down, depending on how much, what kind of a loan program, whether it's VA, FHA, there's a lot of additional lending criteria to take into account to see if your loan is going to be qualified to lend, or the financing is going to be qualified to lend in that condo complex. So gets a little technical, but with us helping you guys out, it's not a problem. We'll make sure that you don't make an offer on a complex that is not lendable. So great question.
Thank you so much for that. And I love that you guys can help us out, especially when we're going out there and looking at complexes with our clients. They find something they love. The first thing I do is call the lender and make sure that they're going to be able to do the loan on the condo. So I appreciate all this information. This has just been a fun, did you know, and some great topics here. So thank you, John.
Absolutely. And so this goes to show all you folks out there how CC and myself set ourselves apart from the competition. You want to be well represented, have everything in order so you have the best shot at landing that purchase contract that you submit to the seller. And while working with us here in this industry, we'll make that happen for you. Thank you.
Well, thank you. And thank you for watching this video.